In this session, I'm going to show you how to rapidly connect with people. So one of the things we need to do once we've connected, or once we've done our search and found the right people, is connect with them personally. Now, if you just hit send, they're highly unlikely to connect. If you add a note, however, they're slightly more likely to want to connect. Now, I recommend a short text. You've got 300 characters. So I'm going to use an application called TextBlaze. Now, TextBlaze is a text expansion tool available in the Chrome Web Store, and I'll provide a link for that. If you go to, say for example here, I've got all sorts of things such as my ABN, any links that I need. If I go to my message 1, this is my first message for connecting. So hi, and then it inserts the clipboard, and I'll show you that function. But basically, clipboard contents. I hope you are having a great, and then this merge tag will then bring in the full length day. Hope you're having a great Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever. When you send it, helps provide more of a personalized message. And then I thought it was worthwhile connecting. I look for people that I can help and who can help me, not through our, not directly, but through our interconnected relationships. Well, I would like to connect. What do you think? Sometimes it can be better to end with a question, so why don't we do that now? So, what do you think? Okay, so now that we've done that, that's auto updated. So now I'm just going to go back to LinkedIn, and I'm going to go to this person that I'm going to connect with. So here I'm going to highlight, and I'm on a window, so I'm going to go Control C, and that's now saved to the clipboard. So remember, we had that merge tag which grabs what's on the clipboard. If I click Add Note, and now if I just go Control V, you can see that that was on the clipboard. But what we're going to do is we're going to take that tag, that this is my shortcut /M1, and you can come up with whatever it is you're going to remember. You could have M001, you could have message 1 if you like, but it's going to be much quicker to type some short letter code that you remember. So we've got it on the clipboard. Now I'm just going to go /M1, and it's populated that text into this text area. Now, I've also got an extra few characters that I've left over in case I want to make a personal note about their personal qualities, their profile, or whatever it happens to be. So I'm just going to go ahead and hit send. So then I've got Cheryl. So now I'm going to go and copy, Control C, add note /M1, send. Then grab the next one, connect, Marion. Actually, this one, that seems to be her name that she wants to be known by. So now I'm going to go /M1. And then the next one here, Aishwarya. And I'm going to go add note /M1. Hi, and then it's done a personal connection. And then last one, okay, so this one has an extra layer of security, so that's fine. We won't do that one, but you get the idea. So now we can rapidly connect with people. So after doing our Boolean search and now getting down to a list of 141 highly specific people that we actually want to connect with, we can rapid fire connect with them very, very quickly and get to the point where we're going to have more of a pointed conversation. So, add note, /M1. Oops, we didn't get the full word, but this is why you have an opportunity still to make a change. And one more. Okay, so Helen, Control C, add note /M1. Quick view, done. Okay, so that is using text expansion tools to rapidly connect with people on LinkedIn. Thank you.